Okay, in the first graphics tutorial I showed you how we could use some basic graphics, and we looked at saving, and to be honest I wasn't happy with the fact that it would save a whole document. There must be something better out there, and I've come up with a neat little workaround for this, and I'd like to share it with you. Now what we're going to do is everything that you've learnt so far, absolutely fine, but what we're going to do is a neat little trick here that will enable you to create single pages that you can save. So now you can make as many as you want. Okay, so I assume you've watched tutorial number 1. This is number 2, and basically what I'm going to do now is go up to File and Open. That's clicking off the page there, and there's a free pages for you to download. It's called Print Page Port, Print Page Landscape. I'm just going to click onto that one, and I'm going to open it up, and that now opens up here into this page. And I'll just reduce it down in size there. You'll be able to see what it looks like there. You can play around with that. And now, so I'm going to go back to my graphics page. I'm going to click onto something here, rather like the butterfly there, Control C, but this time instead of going to the graphics portrait, I'm going to pop up to here where it says page port, click onto there, click onto the page just for luck, and there it goes. It's loaded in, and again we've got full control over this. Go back to here, choose something else, Control C, click back up to here, Control V, and off we go. Fill your boots and make as much as you want. So we just go back through to there, and again if I just click return, I can use anything that I want from here. Now in theory, if we open up another page, say you want to use something from the fantasy, we should be able to do that as well. Now this is not going to do this one live, so I'm going to go to open, and somewhere on here, there we go, black and white fantasy. I really want black and white fantasy graphics. This is on my I'll tell you what, let's open that one, see if it's in there. Yep, fantasy graphics. I'm going to open that. That's opened up there. Oh, let's go for my favourites, for my Rhino. I like him. I'm going to go Control C. I'm going to come back now to the print page here. Yes, and we've nailed it. So we can now use combined elements of the 2 CDs and more to follow, if you like these. Then we can mix and match and do exciting things. I'm going to go back to there, and I'm going to hit return, and I just want one of these frames. Let's have that one there. So Control C, back to my print port page there, Control V, open that up to the size that I want, and spin it round. Whoops. Sometimes, as I said, if you can get close and you hit the shift key, it will balance it out. That's going at 45 degrees, so I'm going to have to do this the old-fashioned way and try and get that to be upright as possible, making a bit of a pig's ear out of that. If all else fails, I'm going to delete that, go Control V, make it bigger again, and this time I'm going to spin it round, get it to nearly where I want it, and hold the shift key. No, it still doesn't want to do it. No, let's just try. I've just deleted that. I'm going to hold the shift key. There we go. Hold the shift key down and it'll turn it to 90 degrees. Sorry, you're learning through my mistakes here, but there we go. We live and learn, and there's a little frame around it. Look, you get the hang of that. But that's a useful little thing, that shift key. You hold it down first. Each program's slightly different. I'm normally working in a different version of this, so that's my excuse. Now I like the butterfly there. If I click onto that, you can see now I can't actually access anything under there. So if I want to say get to that butterfly, I'll just shift it over, and I want to go Control X. I'll move the frame over. Look, we've made advancements here. We can save stuff. It's still a little bit. Control V, and that can just hang on over the edge of the frame there. So it's still basic graphics, but the good thing now, I can go File, and I'm going to go Save As, and on my computer, pick a folder somewhere. It's saying choose a different folder. Oh, let's just go, just save it to here then, and click Save. Save it to somewhere that you know you're going to find it, and then you'll be absolutely fine. Now, you can then reuse these pages or download them, but you're only then having one small page. You can save your design, and I think that's a brilliant way of working. So there's a lot of little things to remember, but just watch the CD, and we're just opening up the different files, and we're just simply copying and pasting back into our page. That should come to the top there. I tell you what, this is really good fun. I'm going to start playing, so I've got to stop. But you get the gist of it now. And I said the great thing is, and again, I don't know if I can just go File Save. Now I've saved it. Yeah, now I've saved it once, I can go File Save, and that will just keep saving my work. So if I could pass any advice on to you, and this is from someone who is massively disorganized, pop your folders. Make a folder and pop your main graphics package in there, the PDF of, say, Floral and the Floral graphics, and then have all your, download these pages. It's print page port, print page LAN, that's free to download. Go to the download site, pop those in there, or make a separate file to put all your downloads in. So you might create a folder on your desktop and put everything in there, and then you'll know where it is each time, and you can open it up then that you want a fresh one each time. So organize yourself with your folders, but then when you know where these graphics are, you can just open these folders up. And the beauty of this now is you can access these whenever you want to, and then just copy and paste it onto your print port there, like so, and have some fun with it. Alternatively, you can now that return key shouldn't really go anywhere. I'm going to press it. No, it's latent. Don't worry about that. In fact, I'll probably take that off. It doesn't print anyway. I was trying to integrate this into the whole package, and it just didn't want to have it. But this way works better because it makes the saving of the page much easier, because you can open it up and it automatically just slots itself up here. Okay, there you go. A short tutorial, but hopefully a really handy one for you. I think this is a game changer and will make creating your own graphics really good fun, especially as you know you can save each of them, and there's nothing to stop you then opening it up again and adding more to it, or taking something away if you want to. Okay, have fun. And God, will I ever stop talking? Just to remind you, this page will be free to download. Go to our website, all the W's, papercraft.co.uk, and pop onto the downloads far right, and I'll pop it on the page there. They'll be free for you. Just click on them, fill your boots. It'll be a free download. It'll come up as just 0 in the basket, and it'll just send you the file, and have fun. Okie dokie, take care. See you soon. Bye bye.